The king of night drives, Mercedes S600.
Mercedes S600. Engineered perfection. The foundation, body and structure. A rigid chassis for ultimate stability. Access to the heart of the machine. Precision-built entry to luxury. Designed for both power and practicality. Aerodynamics meets protection. A twin-turbo V12? Pure power. Precision moving at incredible speed. Timing is everything. Boosting power instantly. Cooling the power within. Breathing efficiency. Power exits with force. Fuel delivered with precision. The nervous system of the car? The brain, controlling everything. Luxury meets comfort.
Our advanced air suspension system, ensuring a ride like no other.
Stopping power you can trust. Control in every movement. Seamless power delivery. Every part engineered to perfection. Smooth energy transfer. Power moves through the core. Balanced performance. Driving every movement. Flexibility under motion. Command at your fingertips. Precision connection. Effortless control. Direct response. Linking control to motion. Comfort redefined. Safety first. Information at a glance. Control meets luxury. Atmosphere tailored to you. Your driving data. Intelligence at your command. Control your drive. Engineering at its finest.